If humans suddenly cease to sleep, the consequences would be profound and far-reaching, impacting every aspect of our physiology, psychology, and society. Sleep is a fundamental biological need, crucial for the functioning of the human body and mind. Without it, our cognitive abilities, emotional stability, physical health, and overall well-being would rapidly deteriorate. Sleep serves several essential functions, including memory consolidation, brain development, and restoration of bodily systems. Deprived of sleep, cognitive functions such as attention, concentration, and problem-solving would decline rapidly. Memory formation and learning processes would be severely impaired, affecting both short-term and long-term memory. The impact of sleep deprivation on mental health cannot be overstated. Sleep is intricately linked to mood regulation, emotional processing, and stress management. Prolonged sleep deprivation often leads to irritability, mood swings, anxiety, and depression. In severe cases, it can precipitate psychotic episodes or exacerbate existing mental health conditions. Social and economic repercussions would also be significant if sleep were eliminated. Our current societal structure, including work schedules, education systems, and leisure activities, is built around the necessity of sleep. Removing this need would require a complete overhaul of how we organize our lives. Employment patterns would need to adapt to accommodate round-the-clock productivity, potentially leading to increased stress and burnout among workers. The consequences of sleep deprivation on physical health would be dire. The immune system, responsible for defending the body against pathogens, relies heavily on sleep to function optimally. Without sufficient sleep, the immune response would weaken, leaving individuals more susceptible to infections and diseases. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and even certain types of cancer. Furthermore, sleep plays a crucial role in regulating hormones and metabolism. Disrupting the sleep-wake cycle can lead to hormonal imbalances, particularly affecting hormones involved in appetite regulation, such as leptin and ghrelin. This disruption could result in weight gain, metabolic disorders, and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. From a technological standpoint, the absence of sleep would necessitate advancements in energy management and resource allocation. With individuals constantly active, energy consumption would surge, placing additional strain on infrastructure and the environment. Moreover, without the downtime provided by sleep, electronic devices and machinery would face increased wear and tear, requiring more frequent maintenance and replacement. The cessation of sleep would have profound and multifaceted consequences for humanity. From biological disruptions to societal upheaval, the ramifications would be vast and complex. While the hypothetical scenario of a sleepless world offers intriguing insights into the significance of sleep in our lives, it also underscores the irreplaceable role it plays in maintaining our health, well-being, and overall functioning. As such, sleep remains an indispensable aspect of the human experience, deserving of our attention, understanding, and prioritization.